Want to create a professional article with stunning visuals using AI? This guides how to generate article with ChatGPT and match it with images from Leonardo AI. You will learn how to expand text, design visuals, and publish content like pro. Perfect blogger, creator, and anyone ready to level up with AI. To begin this powerful content creation journey, start by opening ChatGPT in your browser and typing the command top 10 free AI tool in 2025 are changing the game. Give a 5,000 word article. Within a second, ChatGPT will generate highly detailed, well-structured, and informative article of approximately 5,000 words, covering the most impactful and widely used free AI tool of the year 2025. This article would not just include name and feature, it will offer you an in-depth breakdown of each tool, including real-world application, user-friendly features, and most importantly, frequently asked questions at the end of the help your reader better understand each tool potential. This long-form content is perfect for publishing on a blogger or website, serve as a great SEO magnet due to the richness in keywords and relevance. Once your article is ready, the next step is to enhance its visuality. To do this, you need to custom AI-generated images that match the content of each of 10 tools described in article. Ask ChatGPT to generate image prompt for the tool listed in the article. This prompt or short description or command that can be directly using AI image generation tool like Leonardo AI. This prompt are tailored to bring your concept to life visually and will help your reader engage better with the content. It's time to bring them to life using Leonardo AI, one of the most user-friendly and creative AI generation available tool. Start by copying the first image prompt from the ChatGPT. This might be something like a frustrating interface showing AI workflow automation, and a robotic assistant helping a digital marketer. Depending on the tool you're visualizing now, go to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt into text box input field. Once pasted, click on the generate button. Where Leonardo AI will take a few seconds to process your request and then present you with your uniquely generated AI image. These images are based entirely on your prompt, are visually stunning, imaginative, and relevant to your content. Look through the 4 options and select the one the best with your article, theme, and tone. Once your image is ready, click and download icon, and the image will be saved into your device in high resolution, ready to be added to your content. Now, move on the second prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next AI image prompt, return to Leonardo AI and paste it into the text box just like before. Click generate and wait it for Leonardo to create your new image variation. This ensures each tool in your article gets unique relevant illustration. Browser the option, choose the best one and download it to your device. This process give you a beautiful image that complement the second section of your article. Repeat the exact same process for the third prompt, copy it and paste it into Leonardo AI. Click on generate, select best image from the 4 results and download it. Continue the prompt to image process one by one until you have generated 10 images, one for each AI tool your article. If at any point during this process you feel that the original text provided by the ChatGPT is too short or lack the depth or richness you desired of your blog, there is a simple fix. Just copy the specific paragraph or section you want to improve, paste it back into ChatGPT, type the instruction, expand this text. ChatGPT will rewrite the selected portions in more detailed and engaging way. This will give you and also boost the SEO quality of your blog post. Open Microsoft Word and paste the expanded article into new document. Go through each section of the article and insert the image matching AI-generated images just below or next to the text it corresponds to. This visual pairing gives you content a professional and visually appealing layout, making it easier for your audience and read and engage. You have fully polished Word file that include both detailed SEO text and custom generated relevance images, making that ideal for you uploading to your website or blog. To bypass AI detection and make your content appear more human written, simply copy the text you generated and paste it into Higgs AI bypass. One paste, click on the Humanize button. The tool will instantly transform the AI generated text into more natural human-like variants, helping you avoid detection by AI content checker while maintaining the original meaning and flow. Next, log into your website dashboard or blogging platforms such as WordPress, Blogger, Wix, or any other CMS you're using. Click on the new post button to start fresh article. Open your Word document and copy all the content, including the heading, subheading, and all the any bullet point you may have formatted. Paste everything into your website editor. Make sure the image appear correctly and are positioned in visually appealing way. You can adjust their sizing alignment, or add alt text to improve SEO. Scroll down and click on the publish button to make your post live on the internet. With this completed highly quality article from ChatGPT, expanded content, custom AI images from Leonardo AI, neatly formatted in MS Word, and finally published. Now you have visually attractive, original, and engaging blog posts that showcase your smart use of AI tool to create professional content, whether you are a blogger, digital marketer, educator, or freelancer. This method will help you stand out online with powerful and authentic articles.